Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to install Jitsi Meet on Ubuntu 22.04. So let's get started. First of all, open up a terminal on your Ubuntu 22 and then simply update the apt package list from the command sudo apt and update, and then provide the password for the root user. While this is being updated, click on the link in the description box to come to this step-by-step blog post guide which contains all of the commands that I would be using throughout this tutorial. But before we get into the installation process of Jitsi Meet, you should know that you require a domain that is pointing to your IP address. Now most of the times, users do not have a domain pointing to their local Ubuntu operating system. So in that particular case, if you have a domain, then you can go along with that, but if you do not have a domain, then you can set up a new host name in your Ubuntu operating system. Now to do exactly that, simply type the command sudo hostname ctl and then set-hostname, and then followed up by the domain that you are going to be using for your Jitsi installation. So I'm going to type it as jitsi.cis.com. Now to make sure that the host name has been changed, simply type the command host name and then hit enter. So our host name is now jitsi.cis.com. But what we want to do now is that whenever we access jitsi.cis.com from the browser, we want it to redirect it to the local host. Now to do exactly that, simply type in the command sudo nano/etc/host and then hit enter. Now within this file, simply provide the local address which is 127.0.1.1, and for the host name set it equal to jitsi.cis.com. Then Ctrl O to save this file and Ctrl X to exit from this file. Now you're done with your prerequisite if you do not have a domain pointing at your IP address. After that, we can move along with the installation process of Jitsi. For that, open up a blog post and start by installing curl. For that, simply copy this command, paste it inside your terminal with the help of a sudo command and then hit enter. Now this command is going to install curl, wget and gnup. Once that is done, the next step is to actually import the Jitsi Meet GPG key. For that, simply type in the command sudo and then copy this command from the blog post. Paste it in the terminal and hit enter. Once the key has been downloaded, we want to create a repository. For that, simply copy the second command, paste it inside the terminal with the help of a sudo and then hit enter. And lastly, let's open up this Jitsi stable list and add in the Debian repository. For that, simply type in the command sudo followed up by the command that we have just copied from the blog post and then hit enter. Now within this file, we are going to store this key right over here. So copy that, paste it inside the file, hit Ctrl O and then Ctrl X to save and exit from this file. Once that is done, you also want to import the prosody GPG key as well. Now the prosody is used when you want to enable authentication on your Jitsi Meet. Now for that, simply copy this command from the blog post and paste it inside the terminal. Once that is done, again let's create a GPG key using the second command and then open up the prosody list by using this command, and then within that file, we are simply going to paste in this line. So copy it, paste it in the file, Ctrl O, hit enter and then Ctrl X. Now you're done with all of the prerequisites. Now you can move along the installation process of Jitsi Meet. But before that, let's update the apt repository once more. So simply type in the command sudo apt update and then hit enter. Now to begin the installation of Jitsi Meet, simply type in the command sudo apt install jitsi-meet and then pass in the -y flag and then hit enter. Now you simply have to wait for the prompt to ask you about the hostname that you want to set with Jitsi Meet. Now when the installer asks you for the domain name, simply provide your domain name that you have just created or the domain name that is pointing towards your IP. So in my case, this is jitsi.cis.com and then hit enter. After that, it is going to ask you about the SSL certificate. So click on OK and then choose the option that is let's encrypt certificates. And then to successfully issue a certificate, you need to provide your email. So click on OK and then provide your email address and then hit on OK. After that, it asks you if you want to add telephony to your Jitsi meetings. So it's really up to your choice. But for this tutorial, I'm going to go with no and then hit enter. Now once the installation process is done, you can actually visit your Jitsi Meet, or you can put up authentication. And if you want to put up authentication, then you can simply follow along with the blog post that is mentioned in the description box. However, I'm just going to go and visit my Jitsi Meet installation. For that, simply take your domain name in which you have installed Jitsi Meet and open it in a new tab. Now this is going to be your Jitsi portal. This means that you have successfully installed Jitsi Meet on Ubuntu 22.04. Now in case you want to deploy Jitsi Meet on cloud hosted platforms like Azure, AWS and Google Cloud, then simply check out the videos linked in the description box or go and browse our channel. And if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, then make sure to leave that query in the comment section down below and we will get to you as soon as possible. Apart from that, if this video has helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.